Alright guys, this is a moment of truth because they say that the food is around the corner. We've been rafting for quite some, well not me, Captain has been rafting. I'm fresh, like I did nothing. But yeah, we've been rafting for quite some time to get to this food spot. Yeah, Captain, you've had the food before?
Huh?
You've had the food here before?
Yeah.
Pretty good?
Yeah,
pretty
very
good.
nice.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Lots of people talking about it.
All the time?
Yeah.
Good.
People from all over the world. Well, I couldn't tell. Oh,
so actually you put your foot in it. Yeah. I smell fire. And when there is fire,
there is food.
There is food. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Hello there. Hello. So excited. I hear it. Oh my. All right. I see people. I see action. You know that could be a bad thing that they ate their food, right?
So I wonder why excited about people. They're excited to see people.
Right? Oh my gosh. We're getting there though. Yeah. Right? Right.
Oh my
God, this is our stop. Oh snap. Yep, I see the little tent. Oh, she there.
Yeah, man.
And a pot of boil. Right up there. Yeah, bring the juice. Bring the juicy juice. Guys, we just got to Miss Belinda's, and right now I'm so excited. You guys won't even understand because it is now it's 4:35 at the moment, but food is yo, you can smell the pots the moment you bend the corner. It's like ridiculous. And honestly, I think she has a very scenic view, so it's not just about the food, it's also the scenery as well. You don't know, my boy Kurt is posted up over here. Like I tell you, like yo, I'm gonna take you on some epic trips, dog. Yes, you just gotta be ready to make it happen. All right, you gooch, brother. All right, so we are here.
I'm staying near the pot.
Oh yeah.
I'm staying near the pot.
Minarang at all. Oh yeah. So I'm just happy. I see pots going. You see me? Okay, what do you have on the menu today, Miss Belinda? Yeah, let's get some soup. We're here to try all the greatness. So some fricassee chicken going on there. All right, cool. I smell some rice and peas too. I was right. So a big pot of rice and peas. You see me? And the pork, yeah. Oh, whoa.
That's a stew pork.
Whoa, so this right there is some stew pork.
Oh, yes, please. Yes, please.
The curry goat. Oh, love it.
Have some boiled yam.
Boiled yam as well. Oh my gosh, Miss Belinda, you're a lifesaver. And you had like a lot of customers not too long ago, right? Yep.
Thank you so much. So they put up some plant and some breadfruit. And I have steamed veg.
Wait, what she got?
They have steamed veg.
Oh, it snapped! Yo,
Steamed veggies.
guys, Miss Belinda is plug. Like she had us scared for a second. She was like, yeah. When she was laughing, she was like, yo. Oh my gosh.
But at the same time, I'm secure enough phone.
Yo, I love that. I love that. I love that. Trust me. I brought this one from all the way from New Jersey for this. My boy all the way from Miami. So you see me? Come with some real Jamaican food. Yeah, man, we appreciate.
When everybody else got not the last customer. You guys are the last customer.
That's fine.
That's fine. We're good with that. What kind of soup is that?
Chicken.
Chicken soup, I'll take some.
I work and come work.
Alright.
Would you like a spoon?
Yeah, I'll try this one.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. It's nice.
I forgot about so soft.
The corn? Yep.
Mm.
I forgot PG. How's the soup? It's good, right?
Very good.
It's good. It's real. I want one for myself, please.
I was about to say,
Yeah. Yeah, I know you're not really a soup person, so if you see,
on that.
yeah, he's gonna always be passing on the soup. But if it's pork, chicken, patty, them thing there, he's up for
to
it.
the stew beef.
Oh, for the stew beef, yeah.
Stew pork, sorry.
Stew pork, yeah, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, yo! At first, I was here for just the food, but then the scenic backdrop and then the water and everything like that, amazing. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, look at this soup, guys. Oh yeah. So this soup is more on the thicker side, but the flavor is good. And the corn looks good. Mm-mm. Food I share out. You see me? And the food that, trust me, the food that come from far. Because just like me, I do a lot of outdoor cooking, and you have to pack all those stuff. And when I'm packing stuff, I'm cooking for maybe 3-4 people. She is cooking for quite a few people, and she's coming from all the way up there. Man, y'all crazy, yo. Damn, I can't believe it, Miss Belinda. You do all that? Oh, look at the pork.
Come on, time.
Whoa.
Wait till you know what time it is.
Time it is.
Oh.
Some gravy.
I think you have enough gravy on it.
Alright, so that's good. So you don't want to clip on the breadfruit?
Huh?
You don't want to clip on the breadfruit?
Gravy.
No, you said that, you know. You're going to need to clip the breadfruit.
Stephen.
Did you have that much?
Thank you. Jesus.
Whoa.
Oh my God.
All right.
Excited.
Next. What?
What you have?
Rice and peas.
Alright. Start with the rice.
I got the half of that. Okay.
It's good. What you having?
Pork.
No, you don't want the fried chicken and pork. You want
Fried chicken and pork.
Fried chicken and pork. And let me drink if you like to.
Oh, it's hot.
So you have cold drinks as well?
How much you want stuff?
I mean, I can't put up what you have.
No, we want drink because it's
Yeah, but if it's cold, me too.
Me have water, coconut.
yeah, that one.
Yo, let me say your customer service is good. You have good customer service, so she made sure she had drinks as well, coconut. You know, like, trust me. Look at that curry. Yes, the color on the curry is amazing.
Alright, here you go.
Thanks, Miss
Yeah,
Belinda.
man, okay, enjoy.
I'm sure I will.
Catch my plate.
Yo,
Happy man.
oh, nice.
Stephen's plate.
I'm a happy man.
I can tell. Huh? They got rum punch? Yeah, I'd like. Yeah, I'd like one.
I'll take one. Two.
Smells good.
Two.
Smells real good.
Yeah.
And there is a rum punch here, so you know she arranges for the rum punch to be made. And yeah, what I like about it is a touch of that Jamaican Ray and Nefer flask. You see me? We don't waste these flasks because either we're gonna put honey in there or coconut oil or something, but we're not gonna waste it.
The flavor is good.
For the pork, right?
It just melts in your mouth.
Damn.
Oh, that's for us to share?
Oh, I guess, yeah. Oh my gosh.
You're there.
There's even chairs out here for you to like just sit and just. Oh, look at my food, y'all.
Oh gosh.
You say goat, take that around goat. Try that goat too. Right.
And that's why I can't eat it. I don't like the
It has that. That's what I'm accustomed to.
That's
when
what
I,
I'm accustomed
when
to.
we're going down to the
Yes,
down to
of course.
Chilani, yeah, the goat for taste kind of that ring.
Oh.
Nothing.
May I tell you, as it eat your
No,
mouth?
I tell the people already, I'm not really a fan of curry goat, but this the flavor in this, as it touch your tongue, it just goes boom, rotted. No, this is not even a joke. Like, brother, brother,
As it hit your tongue.
the flavor is just impactful, yo.
It's spicy, but in an overlay.
Rotted. And you know what's funny? It tender. It tender.
No joke, no.
Not a rat. Listen. It's a reason you have to make your book your food, you know. Oh my gosh. Yo.
Wow.
Yo, like the goat is pull apart good. Look at that. My pull the goat apart. It's like you have a pressure cooker over there. When I go look at the pressure cooker.
Wait, no, when
No,
I saw it though, you know, I wonder if it's trashy white, you know, it's just like that.
It pull right apart. Brother,
Tender.
hands down the best goat
It's nice.
to memory that I've had. Yo,
For real, man.
Saying a lot, bro.
Nice, it's
it's not even a joke, brother.
It's good.
All right, the goat is good. The goat is splendiferous. We're gonna move up. The pork is the same consistency, like it pulls right apart. Let me try this.
Have a deep flavor, right?
Dog, bro, I'm literally get goosebumps a while ago.
For real.
I'm not even joking. I just got goosebumps just now. No, bro, I feel like I could almost cry.
You got fried chicken?
No, like, dude, this is what I expect from like street food, like Jamaican people trying to like do our cuisines, dog. Like, do the things them good, bro.
How about that cry, man, Joe?
No, like seriously, bro.
I feel you, man.
Yo, channel.
Straight to the fried oven.
Yo, let me try that, cause of course you didn't fry this just now, so
Right.
you know. It's not just fried, but you can tell what it was like before.
Really crispy.
Have you ever seen like a woman and she's probably like 80, but you can look at her and you're like, yep,
Nice
she
as
was
young.
beautiful when she was young.
Yeah.
That's exactly what this dumpling is saying to me.
What an
For the
analogy.
flavors, yeah.
What's an analogy that Stephen chose to use?
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. No
The
sir.
flavors there on the dumpling.
What time in close?
The food is good. Bro, the bone, right?
Alright.
That shit is good.
Angie, the food nice.
Oh my gosh,
By
bro.
We're rafting.
You got plantain?
Now we stop and
Yeah, you can.
Extra.
rafting and we stop and get food from this lady.
I just had some of the pork fat.
We're there
Me
now.
too.
That's where we're at.
Mish,
Yes.
in our family we have some really excellent cooks. Right, Auntie Pat. I can talk about Auntie Pat. She's the one that I really go to all the single time, like all these type of cultural stuff. I don't want to compare, but like, how good is this?
I can afford to compare because the truth is the truth. This, man, Miss Belinda, she blessed.
Trust me, you
Just
can
told her a
tell.
while ago her hands are blessed. Like, I hit the curry and when it touched my lip, it's like,
You knew what it was.
Yeah.
and I know it's a ram goat.
Yeah,
That's
Definitely
much I
Rambo.
can tell you.
And it's not like it's one thing that's good. Everything.
Everything.
is over the top good.
I thought looking at this, so the pork, it kind of looked like it's trashy, but when you bite, it's tender, it melts in your mouth. And the flavor is good, it's not
the
overpowering.
flavor is
And to be able to get the food like this, outdoor,
And it's been-
doing
a
it.
lot of work went into it because she had to walk through the hills. She said it's an hour and about 10 minutes walk through the hills
And then take the
with
wrap.
the stuff to get here to get the food tasting like this.
Bro,
Worth every penny.
worth every penny. So Kurt, you're the only person that got fried chicken with your cliche self.
Yeah.
I refuse to get fried chicken because we had that yesterday. But tell us about the fried chicken, bro.
This is like 10 times better than what we had yesterday.
Really?
Now she said she had fried it, and to heat it up, she put it down in the gravy. So it's like fricasseed now. Excellent. Really, really good.
And last night chicken was good.
Last night chicken was good. It was
Last night
like
chicken
Sunday
was
dinner
good.
quality.
Yeah.
Can taste that bone?
Oh, yeah. Take everything there.
No, I just want that bone.
What did it? Yeah.
Man, that food is just so good. Prime scene.
I've seen.
Yo. Michelle tore it up. Kurt was talking about doggy bag. Done.
Done.
Bro. Yo. Man. So far I keep saying the best day ever. It's, okay. If I'm to be fair, it's every day is the best day, but like a different experience kind of best day, you know what I'm saying? That's what's up. You know those places where you will go there once and then you'll say, yo, okay, yeah, I had the experience, and then that would be it for the next 50 years of your life? Nah. This is one of those places I probably would visit 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times per year. You know, once I have someone different to like forward with, you know, bring my mom, sister, whatever the case is. But the food here was amazing. Like, no joke, I vouch it, yo. It's anyway, so we're gonna head off right now and then go for another dip. Like, the Rio Grande River is like, it's amazing for that. You are always up for a tan. You know it's like almost 6 o'clock, right? Okay. I like that part. Oh, is there like a river coming from that side?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, what's it called? Oh, the same river. Okay. Oh. That was exciting. That unexpected. Oh, wow. So like for us it's very beautiful. What is it like for you, man?
Very nice, beautiful.
Okay.
Yeah.
You never get bored of it?
No.
Good.
And they always look like that, green and pretty.
Nice.
Yeah. Jamaica's a nice place.
It really is.
You want to try it now?
Yeah.
Let's walk side way.
Captain for a few minutes.
Oh yeah, Captain for a few minutes today.
This one right here. Okay. Yeah. Make a go. And then yeah, on the other side. Other side. Yeah. Push it down straight. Yeah. Let's push it straight till it touch your bottom.
Oh, I have to touch it.
Yeah, to move it,
Yeah.
But you know,
Always put it in back.
like,
Look, watch me.
okay.
Yeah. Always put it behind, yeah?
The next side.
No,
No.
same side, same side.
Because we're trying to go to the right side. If me not make it back, me love you, Michelle. Kurt, same thing.
You're safe.
Yeah.
I'm going down in my car.
I can show you.
No, stop.
Sorry.
I suck.
Yeah. Look, watch me. You look like this?
I have to literally touch the stones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
I always push it behind. See? Yeah. Yeah, we have a quick swim.
No, me know why you're the captain and why you need 5 years of this shit. Okay.
It looks easy, but it's hard. No problem. You're gonna stop the swim, so no problem.
You never thought it was gonna jerk? Oh, come on, sweetie. Pro tip. Hold on, you got it? You good? Walk sideways all the time, so it's almost like a crab walk.
Yeah, but still.
Yeah, but
One day is enough.
Yeah.
You said it took 3 hours for them to drag it back?
Yeah, because this speed way moving.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go in. This is gonna be our final dip before we get back to base.
Yes, sir.
And
Or 7 o'clock.
Perfect,
7
yeah.
o'clock curfew, so you know we're kind of restricted, but we're just gonna work with it. And see, I'm not gonna try anything cute or sexy for this video at all because it's not gonna work out for me. Just gonna be myself.
Don't worry, you're a natural. Alright, now we are back home. It was an amazing day, amazing trip. Oh, the last thing I'm going to show you guys before I go really quick. So, just got home, and this is what's left back. From the coldest bottle. I guess it works. Anyway, I want you guys to drop a huge like on this video if you enjoyed this experience. I know if I was watching it, I would drop a like on the video because today was amazing. But I also want you guys to come out here and try this experience. You know, Kurt was here doing it, Michelle's here doing it, and Jilly's here doing it. And yeah, that's all I can say. You guys see the videos, you guys know what the deal is. Anyway, remember two things: love, nature, and adaptation. And always remember, keep the link.